How to delete old Instagram account without password, email, and phone number. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now first things first, you want to go ahead and open up your Instagram application right here, and you can just go ahead and log in any Instagram account that you have. After logging in any Instagram account, you can just go ahead and click on the search icon at the bottom of your screen. And from here, you can just go ahead and search up your Instagram account. So as an example, this is my account right here. And once inside your account, you can just go ahead and click on the three dots at the corner of the screen. And once inside, you can just go ahead and report your own account. From here, you want to go ahead and click on something about this account. And from here, you want to click on the first option, which is they are pretending to be someone else. Click on the first one, which is me. And right after, you will be able to report this account where you will be able to get the specific account removed. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.